We've been building stylish, affordable homes for Australians for over 30 years. That's 30 years of accumulated know-how, which makes your home building process an excitement and a pleasure. We want you to really love where you live. That's why Metricon has grown to be one of the most successful and respected names in home building. Metricon represents the next leap forward in modern Australian home design. Homes of all shapes and sizes, with enticing styles and designs. There's something here to suit everyone, on any budget. Built to a level of quality that will surprise and delight the most exacting owner. And all backed by a rock-solid 25-year structural guarantee. That's up to 19 more years than most builders. This protects your investment and enhances your resale value. And it's free.